हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम पढ़ेंगे ग्रेड 8 की साइंस यूनिट नंबर 1 इकोलॉजी। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, इन सर्कल द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। द फिनोमिना विच डज नॉट लीड टू ग्लोबल वार्मिंग। ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट, ओजोन डिप्लेशन, डिफॉरेस्टेशन, photosynthesis. The right answer is D, photosynthesis. Number 2, the feeding level of an organism in an ecosystem is called trophic level, succession level, food chain, food web. The right answer is A, trophic level. Number 3, the graphical representation of trophic relationship of organisms in an ecosystem is called dash. Food chain, trophic level, ecological pyramid, predation. The right answer is C, ecological pyramid. Number 4, all the food chains are joined together to form dash. Ecological pyramid, food web, tropical level, none of these. The right answer is B, food web. Number 5, the energy of the sun is trapped as chemical energy by dash. Producers, primary consumers, secondary consumers, tertiary consumers. The right answer is A, producers. Number 6, consumers that actively hunt other organisms are called prey, predator, symbiote, competitor. The right answer is predator. Number 7, a relationship where two species live together closely is called predation, symbiosis, competition, none of these. The right answer is B, symbiosis. Number 8, we can solve environmental problem by reducing pollution, plantation, protection of endangered species. All of these. The right answer is D, all of these. Number 9, ecological imbalance is caused by migration, overhunting, overpopulation, all of these. The right answer is D, all of these. Now write short answers. What are ecological pyramids? The different feeding levels of organisms in an ecosystem are called trophic levels. For example, producers, herbivores, primary carnivores, etc. The trophic relationships may be expressed by a diagram, since such diagrams take the shape of pyramids. So, these are called ecological pyramids. Number 2, what is predation? Predation is the ecological process by which energy is transferred from living animal to living animal based on the behavior of a predator that captures and kills a prey before eating it. Differentiate between oxygen and carbon cycle. Number 1, the oxygen cycle is the cycle of oxygen wherein oxygen gets transferred between living systems and the environment. Carbon is an essential constituent of organisms. Carbon from carbon dioxide is utilized by plants in photosynthesis. This procedure contributes to keep the air's oxygen content at a healthy level. The carbon becomes a part of the food made by them. Plants are eaten by the herbivores, which in turn are eaten by the carnivores. Number 3, during photosynthesis, sunlight causes water molecules to deposit, producing a significant amount of oxygen. Through respiration, the movement of water is how oxygen is released into the atmosphere. During respiration by the plants and the animals, carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere. It is also enter the atmosphere in the form of CO2 during the combustion of fossil fuel. From the atmosphere, it is again returned to the plants and the cycle continues. Differentiate between food chain and food web. Number 1, the feeding relationship among organisms at different trophic levels of a chain called the food chain. Food web is the relationships or interaction between different organisms. Number 2, a food chain starts at the producer's level and is followed by herbivores level. Then it continues to the carnivores, primary consumers, secondary consumers, and tertiary consumers. At the end, all carnivores after death are consumed by decomposers. In food web, all animals feed in more than one food chain. These food chains are joined together to make a food web. तो ये थी आज की वीडियो। अगर आपको पसंद आई है तो इसे लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर दें और इस तरह की मज़ीद वीडियोज़ को देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लें। अगली वीडियो तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।